Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Snapchat Story. So first of all, open Snapchat, go to Story option, select Story, tap onto three dot, first copy link and go back to Google search option, type here to Snapchat Story Downloader, click on this link and you need to just paste here the copied link, click on download. Okay, now finally click on to download video, then successfully download Snapchat Story in your gallery. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.